In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit your GoDaddy website after publishing it. A lot of people think once a site is live, it's locked in forever, but that's not true at all. GoDaddy makes it very easy to go back in, update your content, change images, fix text, adjust layouts, and then republish your site in just a few clicks. Whether you need to update business hours, add a new service, change pricing, or completely refresh your design, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or customer number and your password, then click Sign In. Make sure you're logging into the account that actually owns the website you want to edit. Once you're inside your account dashboard, the next step is to go to My Products. You'll usually find this option in your main account menu. Click on My Products, and this will show you everything connected to your GoDaddy account, including domains and websites. Scroll until you find the Website Builder section. Under Website Builder, locate the specific site you want to update and click on it to manage it. Now click on Edit Website. As soon as you do that, GoDaddy will open the website editor. Give it a few seconds to fully load. This is the same editor you originally used to build your site, and it allows you to make changes even after your website has already been published. Once the editor is open, you can click on any section you want to change. For example, if you want to edit text, simply click directly on the text area and start typing. If you want to replace an image, click on the image and choose the option to change or upload a new one. You can also click on buttons to update their text, links, or style. On the left-hand side, you'll see additional tools that allow you to adjust themes, colors, fonts, and overall site design. If you want to add a new section, look for the Add Section button and choose from layouts like galleries, contact forms, testimonials, or banners. If there's a section you no longer need, click on it and select Delete or Remove. Take your time here and go through each part of your website carefully to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. After making your changes, it's very important to review everything in preview mode. Look for the Preview option and click on it to see how your site will appear to visitors. Check both the desktop and mobile views to ensure your layout looks good on all devices. Scroll through each page and test any buttons or links. Once you're satisfied with your updates, the final step is to click Publish again. Even though your site was already live before, you must click Publish for your new changes to go live. After publishing, your updated website will immediately replace the previous version online. And that's it. That's how you edit your GoDaddy website after publishing it. As you can see, you can make changes anytime you want, and the process is quick and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy website and tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.